Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Magic Words. I am your host, Jonas Cain, and today we are on the fifth and final E in the 5 E's of positive influence. We talked about engage, empower, encourage, to enjoy. The last E, very important. It is excel. And this has things to consider in two ways. One, excellence for our own lives, but also as being an influence of excellence in the lives of others. Something very important to remember about this word is it does not mean that there's nothing more to be gained. To achieve excellence, it doesn't mean that you are perfect. To achieve excellence simply means that it's a lifestyle dedicated to continual personal and professional growth. When you've reached the level of excellence, that's when you have a proven track record of being engaging, empowering, encouraging, and enjoyment, not just for yourself, but also as an influence for others. And when others see you consistently excelling in your life, again, that doesn't mean you're perfect. It doesn't mean you don't make mistakes. It just means that you're committed to always enjoying yourself and learning from these experiences and staying empowered, staying engaged, staying encouraged. That's all that means. When other people will see this, that's when you will have a true, profound, positive influence for others. Well, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this series on the 5 E's of positive influence. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive. I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. Please be sure to leave a comment and share this video so that others can benefit from it as well. And as always, if you have something you'd like to share with me personally, you may email me at jonas@positivitymagic.com.